It's a beautiful spring day here in the far corner of northwest Wales. So tonight is going to be the 10th event for the Green Space Days Dark Dive. So I'm just going to walk down the promenade and register. There's a registration point behind me, which is relatively easy to get to. There's a accessible toilet in the background, which you can't see, but that's inside the cafe. So that's important that people know about that for when they're visiting an area that might be new to them. I registered and I come to the start point. They're giving me a special induction light where that plugged into a radio. The problem for me personally, my level of deafness, I can't quite understand what's being said. But I'm quite lucky, I've actually got a sign language interpreter behind me, so he's able to translate what's being said. I started my climb up the hill that's going to form a key part of tonight's event. They've explained that there's going to be a light show and the people will be given units, which I'll show you in a bit. Is a group of people doing the first practice dance session ready for tonight.